Welcome to our free workshop on preconception health. We will explore how a healthy lifestyle prior to conception can positively influence pregnancy and the health of your unborn child. This workshop is the result of international cooperation with the University of Technology Sydney, UTS, and the Académie de Vitalopathie de Talant, Dijon, Académie. Naturopathic medicine focuses on preventing illness before it occurs. This seminar will provide you with essential knowledge to ensure a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby. Join us at the Académie de Vitalopathie in Dijon on September 11th, 2024. From 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., experts will share groundbreaking research on preconception health and its impacts. Professor Amy Steele will discuss life course epidemiology and epigenetics. She will explain how preconception health behaviors influence maternal and child outcomes. Dr. Danielle Schoenecker will focus on consumer engagement. She will share her research on what matters most to patients in preparing for pregnancy. Mr. Tristan Carter will present advances on the role of male preconception behaviors. He will explain how these behaviors affect the health of the child during and after pregnancy. Carolyn Ladowski will discuss genetic variations in folate metabolism. She will discuss their impact on recurrent miscarriage and the importance of folate supplementation. This workshop is a unique opportunity to learn from international experts. You'll discover strategies to improve your health and that of your unborn child even before conception. Preconception health is crucial to reducing health inequalities. Our speakers will provide you with practical tools to integrate this knowledge into your daily life. We invite you to ask questions and interact with our experts. This workshop is designed to be informative and engaging, allowing you to leave with personalized advice. Register now to secure your place at this must-attend event. Together, we can create a healthier future for you and your family through informed choices. We look forward to welcoming you to the Academy of Vitalopathie. Join us on a journey towards optimal health before conception and ensure a bright future for your child.